Loading it now. I'm the only one here. Nobody else has joined, dude.
Wait, hold on. Oh, Google Hangouts. I don't know if that's gonna work. Let's see. Oh, I have to log in. No, I'm not gonna do that with this one right now. Wait, is that the only way you can share the screen? I feel when can't guessed.
Here we are. It's off air at the moment. Are you here? Looks like you're not here. Yeah. Anyone can figure out my my real identity because of the servers I host and stuff. Yep. Cool. So do the install. I think the install should be fine. We can always start over if it's a problem. I normally have to select all the Australian defaults, and I was just thinking, why did you skip part? Oh yeah. Like I normally have to change things from American English to Australian English. Call it whatever you want. No. You just can't have spaces and ampersands and shit. Just keep it like, and keep it all lowercase as well. That's good. That doesn't actually need to be correct, so just call it Netflix. Oh yeah, so this is the. It could be nothing. You can just leave it empty. That's not letting me. Just call it Netflix. I don't remember.
Correct. But yeah, you don't lose anything by having it.
You can change it later too. Why'd you go back? Dude? No, it's kind of weird. Anyway, I told it.
Each page that you look at, or individual steps, are actually not, individual steps. They're really, there's sections, and you can't
I think he's across it now.
Okay.
So this should be something we both know. If you just send me something, I'll save it in my password manager, so it can be anything you want. It can be random if you want. What I'll do is I'll set up SSH access with certificates, and then I'll give you a certificate and turn off password access after we get up and running, because that's much more secure. Do you just want to make that one the same password? It makes things easier. I mean, because it's making you make a non-administrative user. So it's fine, just put it in as VPN and then put the same password in.
Ugh.
Even more bringing you down.
Yes, actually.
What now? Socialists being shit tier?
It's except for in this case, it's democratic socialists.
Well, what's the fucking difference?
Good question. More at 10.
Eh.
Get your toy, get your green toy. Green
Me?
toy.
Are you man in time?
Oh, sorry. I just heard man. I didn't hear man.
Bitch!
Fluffy, green toy, green toy. Okay, I've got to talk to people now. What's up? Hey. What's up? Oh, I see. With the disk stuff. Allstar's advice would be helpful, actually. Hey, Allstar, I pulled you in here. Sorry.
That's fine. What's up?
What do you suggest for the disk partitioning?
Automatic. And you could put everything into one partition. That'd be fine.
All right, so we'll just do guided in a single partition.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. All files in one partition is fine. Yeah. Great. So that's the simple way. If you
Yeah,
do
the
it manually,
only-
you can fuck it up. And, yeah.
Kinda not. I mean, as long
That's
as
great.
everything is above like 500 meg, you will actually have lots of space for everything. Really, the only directory that ever needs to be more than
Yep, go
500
ahead.
meg is home folder.
Oh no, not if you start installing stuff in etc.
You're not going to install all that much stuff, I bet. Once
Not
you get
that
open
much.
after. No, but yeah. So if you have everything in one partition, you'll be fine.
And if you have start having web servers in var, that's the other thing I've run into.
As long as you got systemd set up properly to, at least I think it's systemd. It might be sysv still. I forget what 7 uses. As long as you set up the logging utility to clear the logs after so much room, you'll be fine. Although I have a distinct feeling that if you start having issues, then you just go back to an earlier version of the VM. So what you need to do, once you get everything set up and tested, working, make a snapshot, and then hang on to it. Set up, tested, and everything updated.
Yeah, and but then I'll have to it'd have to all be running and have to have generated all the certificates and everything.
Yeah, all that. Yeah. So maybe you use it for a week, take a snapshot, and then
Save that somewhere.
Yeah.
Hey, what are we thinking about in here?
Well, we're just talking
7.
about installing Debian 7.
Oh, okay.
They still haven't really given any details about the death of the guy who started Debian.
I think they're not gonna give out any details for a little while until the family's kind of, done grieving or whatever. I mean, the guy wasn't exactly a celebrity. It's not like he was Michael Jackson or anything.
He was to me.
One thing I continue to find somewhat humorous is that the guy named the distribution after him and his girlfriend at the time.
Mm-hmm.
I think they eventually got married, but then they broke up. At least I know they broke up at least, and so he hung on to the name. It's sort of like, oh crap.
Yeah, I know. Always a mistake.
Yeah, you should never name it after the participants in the project. So Emerson, Lake and Palmer was a progressive rock band. They were a power trio. It made sense to have the 3 names, but as soon as one guy wanted to leave, you couldn't call it Emerson, Lake and Palmer anymore.
Yeah.
So
This is why I just call it something like Genesis.
Yeah, Genesis, where you can swap out people. Actually, they're at a point where I think they only have 1 original band member as of 1997. At least that's their latest album, I'm pretty sure. I need to check on that. Which, that was actually a really good album. What was it? Rush, even though they only ever changed drummer or band mates once after their first album. They swapped out the drummer for Neil Peart, and they haven't changed since, although I think they've gone into retirement. King Crimson, they've changed out. Oh, let's see, no. King Crimson, yes, and let's see.
Okay, we get the idea of stuff.
Sorry. Now I kind of like talking about these bands because it's very interesting to me what the history is.
How you going, Rickbox?
Wait, sorry, say again.
Oh, it's just asking Rickbox how he's doing. It's obviously just progressing along.
It's just happening.
Should we go back to the other channel, Rickbox? Right. Also went.
Tastes like malto meal. Oh! Remember the conversation last night about what is it? The ultimate toaster oven
Oh no!
or toaster? I just realized I need to actually see if you can just buy those like industrial toasters. Oh no!
What do you mean? You can just buy them?
God, the
What, you
cheeky
think
freaky of
they're not going to
Doom.
be protected? They're not going to be like contraband.
No. ITAR has like export controls on them.
What could possibly go
Hey,
wrong?
I guess you could make waffles.
Due to an
No, you go-
Due to an outdated law, it's classified as a bread encryption device.
Oh no! It's taking a graphic functionality.
We're still sifting our way through these tasty coded messages.
Ooh, this one's ciabatta. It's an E.
Ah, and I've lost the stream. Sure. Oh no.
I am. Oh, well. This is great. Solid bolt installation costs 3,650 rubles. Cannot be installed. The technician needs tools for basic work. The technician needs vodka. Not enough money.
I feel when a contract doesn't pay enough because you, or pay enough for vodka. No, that feel when no vodka stipend.